Today, I'll show you how to enable VAAPI on AMD Radeon systems. Let's go step by step. First, we need to install the required packages. Open the terminal and type sudo apt install Mesa VA drivers, Mesa VDPAU drivers, VAINFO VDPAUINFO Radeon top. This installs everything needed for hardware acceleration. Now, let's check if VAAPI is actually available. In the terminal, type VAINFO. If everything is working, you'll see entries like VA entry point VLD and VA entry point ENCSlice. That means VAAPI is active. Next, we enable VAAPI inside Kdenlive. Open Kdenlive, go to the settings, and activate Use Hardware Acceleration, VAAPI. Then select VAAPI, AMD, or Intel. Restart Kdenlive to make sure the change is applied. When you export a video, remember to choose H.264 VAAPI or H.265 VAAPI. These presets use the GPU for encoding, which reduces the load on your CPU. Now let's add the launcher for Radeon Top to your menu. Open the terminal and paste the following block exactly as it is. This creates a desktop entry so you can launch Radeon Top from the Accessories menu. Cat, Box, Local, Share, Applications, Radeon Top. Desktop, EOF. Type, Application. Name, Radeon Top. Exec, Radeon Top icon, ATI terminal, true. Prefers non-default GPU, false categories, utility, accessories. Comment official tool for AMD GPUs EOF. After saving, you'll find the Radeon Top launcher under Accessories. And that's it. VAAPI is now enabled. Kdenlive can use hardware acceleration, and you have a quick way to monitor your GPU.